Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy paper heart. So let's get started. To make this, we need to cut 4 thick strips and 1 thin strip, and we need a stapler. First, take all the strips and fold them in half. Now arrange the strips from biggest to smallest like so. And take the thinnest strip like this and put it in the center of all the other strips. Then bring all the strips down one by one. Like this, and then here we need to staple it again. Now the heart is ready. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.